This is training objective 2, annotating and commenting on student work submitted into the Dropbox. So you've created an assignment and now you're ready to view the submissions. In order to view the submissions, you need to be in the Dropbox. So to get to the Dropbox, you click on the Assess tab. And in the Assess tab, make sure you're in the Assignments section, and you'll have a list of all your assignments that you've created. Over here, there will be a Dropbox button. And click on the Dropbox button, and right here you'll have a list of all of your students in your class. Right now I only have one student in this class because this is just an example one that I've done. And I had one of our teachers, Jennifer George, go ahead and volunteer to hand something in. Normally you'd have all of your students listed here by period, and if you have 3 periods in here, then there would be a box right here where you can select which period you want to go to, and then it'll have all your students listed in alphabetical order by last name. So we're going to go ahead and click on the student's name, and when you click on the student's name you get the submission, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at it by clicking on it. So here's the submission, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and comment on this. There are 3 different comment options. If you click on the arrow, you'll get all 3. The point comment, if you use this one, you can point to a specific part of the document. So I clicked right here, and then off to the side you can add in a comment. The next option is the area comment. So I can draw a box around an area I want to comment on. And then I can type my comment in on the side. The next option is the text comment. So this allows you to highlight a specific part of the text. So let's say I want to highlight this part right here. And then off to the side I can provide some more comments. In addition to adding comments, you can draw. So clicking on the draw button, you'll be able to do some free drawing. Select your color. I'll choose blue. So you can actually just use your mouse to draw circles, to underline things, whatever you need to do with the free draw tool, that's available for you as well. The highlight tool, you can highlight a specific part of the text in certain colors. Just select the text you want to highlight, and then it'll automatically highlight it for you. Using the text tool, you can choose a text color. I'll choose green, and you can click anywhere in the document and you can actually start typing text. Finally, the strikeout tool, if you click on that, you will be able to select a portion of the text you want to be struck out, and you can actually put in a comment. When you strike something out, it gives you the option to put in a comment. Up here you have another comment option, and what that does is it hides your comment tools or puts them back up. So once you're done annotating and commenting on the document, you can hand it back to the student. So you click Hand Back to Student. And now it shows that I have commented and annotated on the assignment. The student will be able to go back into their Dropbox submission and take a look at what you've sent back to them. At that time, they'll have an opportunity to review your notes, then go back to the original document, which is still in their Google Drive, make the necessary changes, and then they can turn it back into you. When the student turns back in the assignment, you will notice in the Dropbox there will be another submission down here which you can click and review, and if you wish to annotate and comment on that, send it back to the student. When you're finally finished reviewing the document and you're ready to grade it, you can click on the grade button up here in the right hand corner. And when you click on the grade button, you will be able to put in a grade. Now you can put in a point value or you can put in a letter value. So whatever you prefer, you can put that in and click done. Now the assignment is graded and it will show up in your grade book. And that's how you go through the process of looking at students' work and submitting them back to the student.